Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping and futuristic campers the world has ever seen, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling luxury mansion designed for those who believe road trips should feel like five-star hotel stays. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, this beast demands attention with its bold stance, tall double-decker profile, and signature Toyota front grille that gives it an ultra-modern, premium look. The LED headlights shine bright like jewels, and the chrome accents add a touch of class that makes it stand out even in the most luxurious showrooms. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a private jet cockpit than a driver's area. The leather captain seats are fully adjustable, ventilated, and heated for maximum comfort, and the massive digital dashboard wraps around you, displaying navigation, performance data, and smart controls for every feature in the camper. Toyota has gone all out to make sure that driving this huge vehicle feels effortless, thanks to advanced driver assistance systems, smooth steering response, and a powerful hybrid engine that combines efficiency with raw strength to handle long trips with ease. Moving to the interior living space, the first floor offers a spacious lounge area with a full-size sofa, a retractable dining table, and a 60-inch 4K smart TV mounted on the wall. Soft LED ambient lighting runs across the ceiling, giving the entire space a warm and luxurious glow at night. The kitchen is compact yet fully loaded with premium appliances including a built-in fridge, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and plenty of storage cabinets with soft closed drawers. Everything is designed to maximize space while keeping a clean, modern aesthetic. Climb the stairs to the second deck and you'll find the true highlight, the master bedroom suite. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, dual nightstands, panoramic side windows, and a skylight on the roof make it the perfect place to rest while enjoying stunning views of the sky or stars. There's also a small lounge corner upstairs for reading or relaxing. The bathroom is no less impressive with its glass shower, premium fixtures, marble countertop sink, and clever use of space that makes it feel bigger than it actually is. On the road, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper performs like a dream. The hybrid engine delivers smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet operation, and excellent fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Toyota's advanced suspension system keeps the ride stable even on rough roads, making long-distance travel surprisingly comfortable. As for the price, this level of luxury doesn't come cheap. The starting price is expected to be around $450,000 and can go higher depending on custom options and upgrades. But for those who want the ultimate road trip experience with style, comfort, and technology all in one, this camper is worth every penny. So if you're ready for the future of road travel, the 2026 Toyota double-decker camper is waiting to redefine the way you explore the world.